Ever wondered how YouTubers create those sleek white borders around their images? I'm going to show you 2 super quick ways to do this in Canva, completely free. Let's dive right in. Alright, let me show you the fastest way to add those clean white borders to your images. First, let's grab the image you want to work with. You can either upload a new one by clicking the upload button here, or select one you've already got in your design. Now, make sure your image is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see that blue border around it. Once selected, look up at the top menu bar and click on Edit. See how that opens up some new options? From there, click on Effects. Now scroll down until you find Shadows. Click on that and you'll see an option called Outline. Click on it and you've got your border. Now let's make it perfect. See that color picker? Click that and choose white. And now use this thickness slider to adjust how thick you want your border. You can play around with it. And just like that, you've added a crisp white border to your image. Look how much better that looks already. Pretty simple, right? Now, let me show you a cool alternative that gives your borders a softer, more premium look. Just like before, make sure your image is selected. Click Edit at the top, and then Effects. But this time, instead of choosing Outline under the Shadows section, look for the Glow option right next to it. Here's where it gets interesting. With Glow, you get an extra feature that you don't have with the outline. See this blur slider? This lets you control how soft or sharp you want your border to be. Pretty cool, right? Let's set the color to white again. And now you can play with both the thickness and blur sliders. Feel free to adjust these to get exactly the look you want. Look at the difference between this and our previous outline. See how this one has that softer, feathered edge? It's perfect when you want a more subtle, elegant look for your images. And there you have it. Look at these before and after examples. Such a simple change, but it makes such a big difference to your designs. Whether you go with the sharp outline or the soft glow effect, you now know how to make your images pop just like the pros do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.